If you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, it's important to have a good pair of gloves to protect your hands. Gardening gloves can shield you from dirt, thorns, and other hazards, and they can also help you grip your tools more effectively. But with so many different gardening gloves on the market, how do you choose the right pair for you? In this video, we'll review some of the best gardening gloves available and help you find the perfect pair for your needs. Number 1. WZQH Leathered Gardening Glove. These gloves are made from 100% split cowhide leather, which means they're not only durable but also provide excellent abrasion and puncture resistance. The 100% cotton lining ensures high flexibility and comfort. These gloves are designed with both function and comfort in mind. One of the standout features of these gloves is their versatility. They're perfect for various tasks, including garden work, welding, construction, farming, ranching, and so much more. Number 2. G&F 1852-3 Ladies Garden Gloves. These gloves are crafted from 100% cotton soft jersey material, making them incredibly comfortable to wear, even for extended gardening sessions. The softness of the fabric ensures your hands stay comfortable and sweat-free while working in the garden. One of the standout features of these gloves is the PVC dots on the palms. These provide excellent grip and prevent slipping, giving you better control when handling tools, plants, or delicate flowers in your garden. Number 3. WORKPRO Eco Latex Palm Coated Garden Gloves. The latex coating on these gloves provides excellent protection from thorns, dirt, and other hazards. It's also very flexible, so you can move your hands freely without sacrificing protection. The gloves are made of a breathable, stretchy polyester fabric that keeps your hands cool and dry. These gloves are ideal for a variety of gardening tasks, including weeding, planting, pruning, and harvesting. Number 4. COOLJOB F132D08 Women Gardening Gloves. The knitted base of these gloves is lightweight and breathable, which makes them very comfortable to wear, even on hot days. The gloves have a flexible rubber coating that protects your hands from dirt, thorns, and other hazards. The coating is also non-slip, so you can grip your tools securely. The fingertips of the gloves are thickened to provide extra protection for your nails. The gloves are made from durable materials and can be used for a variety of gardening tasks. Number 5. SKYDEER SD6611 by M Women Gardening Gloves. These gloves are made from 100% USA premium deerskin leather. The suede palm is incredibly soft and naturally comfortable. One of the standout features is the double foam padded palm patch. Whether you're mowing the lawn, pruning flowers, or tackling household chores, these gloves have got you covered. These gloves have reinforced fingertips and thumb areas. The elastic wrist design with a slip-on cuff ensures a perfect fit and easy on or off. Number 6. HAUSHOF Nitrile Coated Gardening Gloves. These gloves are designed exclusively for women and those with smaller hands. The nitrile coating on the palm is a game changer. It provides excellent defense against those pesky insect bites and stings that you often encounter while working around vegetation. These gloves are different. Their knitted shell is not only breathable but also wicks away moisture, keeping your hands cool and dry even during the busiest gardening sessions. Thanks for watching our video on the best gloves for gardening. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions about gardening gloves or any other tools or DIY projects, please leave a comment below. We're always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about tools and DIY.